Hello, my name is Benjamin George, and I am presenting our research Prompting Design, evaluating the impact of AI on design outcomes. This research was done in collaboration with Owen Huff and Phil Fernberg, all three of us at Utah State University. Our research was looking to assess how generative AI, specifically generative image tools, could impact the landscape design process and outcomes compared to traditional design methods. And when we say traditional here, we're referring to both analog methods such as paper, pencil, pen, as well as traditional digital methods, things like Photoshop, CAD software, 3D modeling. We asked students in a class to produce a series of designs, one where they had to create a residential landscape using traditional methods, and then one version where they used AI in their process. And we altered the footprint of the building and things like that in order to try and reduce any bias or them reusing their designs. We asked the students to incorporate AI as an inspiration element. We had them produce, using Midjourney, various imagery that would hopefully inform their creative process. We were not asking them, though, to replace their creative process. And in fact, we explicitly told them, to not have the AI generate their designs for them. Rather, it was to help them explore forms, color, movement, etc. We then had all of the student submissions evaluated by blind expert reviewers. These were all licensed landscape architects. You can see the one that was significantly different was originality. That was the only metric in which there was actually any significant difference, in that the AI designs had a higher score for originality. We also asked them to evaluate if they could tell the difference between a design that was inspired using AI or traditional methods. And you can see here, actually, they could not determine the AI integrated ones. It was pretty much 50-50. The takeaways from this research was that AI improved the originality of design outcomes, meaning it does have value in early stage ideation. It didn't, though, reduce the design quality or functionality of design. And this suggests that the designer remains the critical factor in successful outcomes. We really need to keep the human in the loop, reflecting on the design and making judgment. The findings support then integrating a literacy about generative AI into design and education, with an emphasis really on critical evaluation, refinement, balancing. We still need to train designers in order to utilize these tools correctly.